Hi there, my dear students. How are you all? Hope all are you well and continuing your study through online process. Uh, for COVID situation, our schools and colleges are closed for a long time, and we are continuing our study through online. Today, I have come to you with a very important class, and the class is about unseen comprehension. So, how we can read, understand, and unseen comprehension, and can answer the questions from that. Today, we will see a live example from that class. Okay, so get ready with your pen, paper, and books also, if you have any reference book with you. So hope that all are well. Now we'll start our main session today. Okay, so please have your seat, and the next 15 or 20 minutes that we will do this class, please don't leave the class in the middle. You should complete the class to get better exposure from that class. Okay, so this is Ferdaus Ahmed, assistant teacher English, Shamsul Khan School and College English version, and today our class is about. So please uh, take your pen and paper and get ready for the class. So this class is especially for design for class 4 students, but class 5 or 6 other students also can join that, no problem. Okay, it's about an unseen comprehension, open-ended. So today we will learn about this topic that you are watching in the screen, and read then unseen comprehension. First of all, so we will now show that thing that you will be able to understand it easily. So please follow the class with me. So first, we will read this. Okay. So what is the thing that we can learn from here, and whom are we learning about? So we'll find that. Okay. Joinul Abedin was born in 1914 in Kendua, a village of Kishoganj district. He is considered as the founding father of Bangladeshi art. Okay, so you must have heard the name of Joinul Abedin. We favorably call him Shilpacharya, that means the greatest art teacher. Okay, so he is honored as Shilpacharya, the great teacher of art in Bangladesh, for his skill in art. Okay, so he is considered the first, the pioneer artist of Bangladesh, and he is honored as called Shilpacharya, the great teacher of art or the boss of art. Okay, he spent his childhood near Brahmaputra River. Okay, so his village home was near the Brahmaputra River. The river inspired him very much. So this river inspired him very much in his work. In 1933, he was admitted to Calcutta Government Art School. So on that time in 1933, there was no art school or good art school in Bangladesh, and it was undivided Bengal on the time. So most of the people from Bangladesh had to go to Calcutta or somewhere else in India for their education. He was the pioneer of the modern art movement in Bangladesh. Okay, so he is the pioneer of modern art movement in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, he is the most pioneer and most senior and also the greatest artist. Okay, so uh, then, okay, so we'll find the rest of the thing now. about him, some more important issues. Then in 1938, his painting was rewarded Governor's Gold Medal in All India Art Exhibition. Okay, so in 1938, his paintings was rewarded. Okay, so he has been selected, or his paintings. Dear students, can you just think that how honorable it was? It was a great honor for us that uh, he has become the gold medalist in All India Art Exhibition. His paintings of Famine of 1943 made him famous. Do you know what is famine? Famine means scarcity of food. Okay, so in 1943, he painted most remarkable paintings of famine. Uh, you can, if you search in the internet, you will find many pictures of him. The paintings Shongram and Durbhikho exhibit the miserable condition of people of Bengal of that time. So the painting Shongram, okay, and Durbhikho, the name of his painting is Shongram and Durbhikho, exhibit the miserable condition of people of Bangladesh of that time. His famous paintings include Nabanno. Beside this, some other of his famous paintings, Nabanno, Monpura, Shongram, Durbhikho, etc. Okay, these are called his most important masterpiece in his career. In 1948, he founded Dhaka Art Institute. Okay, so he founded, feeling the passion and from patriotism to the country, he founded Dhaka Art Institute. In 1975, he founded Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon in Narayanganj and Joinul Abidin Sangrohoshala in Mymensingh. So that was also a great achievement, awesome work, that in 1975 he founded Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon and in Narayanganj and Joinul Abidin Sangrohoshala in Mymensingh. Okay. He died of cancer in 1976 in Dhaka. So he died of cancer in 1976 in Dhaka. So that is all about him and the most important information about him. So now we will go to the next slide to watch what question can be set from this comprehension. So first of all, we can see that fill in the blanks. Okay, so there are some words also given for you. First one is made, then born, brought, most, educated, inspired, called. Okay, so let's see. Joinul Abidin is one of the Desh famous painter of Bangladesh. So what do you think, dear students? Can you guess what is the answer? Okay, I think that you can guess it easily because it's a very easy answer. Most famous painter of Bangladesh. He is Desh Shilpacharya, the great teacher of art. Okay, so he is what? Made, born, brought, educated, inspired, called. Okay, what is the answer? Called. He is called Shilpacharya, the great teacher of art, as a part of honor to him. Okay, so people honor him, we honor him, and as part of honor to him, we call him Shilpacharya. He was Desh in Kishoganj and Desh in Calcutta Government Art College. So we can easily understand that he was born. What? He was born in Kishoganj and Desh in Calcutta Government and studied or educated. Okay, studied or educated in Calcutta Government Art College. His paintings of Famine of 1943 dash him famous. Okay, so definitely made him made him famous locally and internationally. Okay, so his uh, some paintings, especially the paintings of Durbikha, made him so much famous nationally and internationally, or locally and internationally. So dear students, hope that you understand that and you already copy the question so that you can use it further. Okay. So now we can see here, write whether the statements are true or false. Okay, what? True or false. Okay, so dear students, get ready with your copy so that you can note it and you can keep record for your future reference. First of all, Joinul Abidin was born in Mymensingh. Okay, what do you think? I think you can easily understand that he was born in Kishoreganj, so it is false. He was very much affectionate to Brahmaputra river in his childhood. I think it is also very much easy to you because yes, he was very much affectionate to the Brahmaputra river in his childhood, so it is also true. Number C, he was educated in Art Institute of Dhaka. No, that is false because on that time there was no art institute in Dhaka. Later he founded an institute in Dhaka. He became famous for his painting of nature. Okay, so he became famous for his painting of nature. He so no, that is also not true because he became famous for his paintings of Durvikho, Navanno, that sort of thing. So that is also not true, false. He's honored as Shilpacharya. That is for sure true. Okay, so he is the founder of Dhaka Art Institute and Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon. Yes, of course. So we have found that this information is totally perfect and true. So that is true. Okay. So dear students, now this is one of the most important part we will see here, and that is the question answer part. You will find here the question that you can answer from the comprehension for your practice. So I have given you some examples. In the examination, it can be different. Okay, and this comprehension may not also come. That is not no boundness. Okay. So number one, who is Joinul Abidin? Where was he born? Joinul Abidin is the founding father of Bangladesh art. Okay, he was born in Kendua, a village of Kishoreganj district. Okay, so dear students, number two, what inspired him very much? Okay, he passed in childhood near Brahmaputra river. The river inspired him very much. So it is clearly written in the comprehension that river has a great impact in his life and he was very much connected with the river. So it also inspired him very much. Number three, when and where was he admitted himself for art education? Okay, so he got himself admitted in Calcutta Government Art College in 1933 for his art education. So dear students, please follow. This sentence should be written like that as I have shown in the slide that he got himself admitted. Please don't write he take admission. So that will not be a very good one. So he got himself admitted in Calcutta Government Art College in 1933 for his art education. Okay, so number four, when was his art awarded? In which competition was his art awarded? Okay, so that is also very important information about him. In 1938, his painting was rewarded Governor's Gold Medal. Okay, in 1938, and it was awarded in All India Art Exhibition. It was awarded in All India Art Exhibition. Okay. So number five, for which subject did his paintings become famous? Okay. So his paintings of Famine of 1943 made him famous. Clear? His paintings of Famine of 1943 made him famous. Number 6, write the name of 3 paintings of Joinul Abidin. Okay, so you have got already some of the paintings. His famous paintings include Nabanno, Monpura, Sangram, Durbikho, etc. Okay, so you can, the 3 paintings I have given here 4. You can give a less from that, no problem. It will be taken as correct answer. Okay. So now another important part, that is the suppose you are uh, 2 names have been given here. Okay, so what are the names? Uh, your friend is Shukto and Shukti. Recently you have learned about our great painter Shilpacharya Joinul Abidin. Now write a letter to your friend informing him about Joinul Abidin. Okay, so you know it better that in question number 8 you have to write a uh, formal letter. Okay, and you have to follow the information from the comprehension. So you can watch it and take the best information from the comprehension, and you can write the letter. Okay, so for writing the letter, the instruction is number 1, you will write a letter here as usual. Okay, you will write a letter here as usual. As usual, you write letter in English second paper or uh, uh, for any family purpose, you will write like that. Number 2, you will give salutation and start in a formal way. Okay, so in that semester we find that many of you didn't write it in formal way. You tried to start it in an informal way. Please don't do that. Number 3, you will give important and necessary information about the topic Joinul Abidin from the given text. Okay, so please don't try to place inside the letter your personal opinion, your personal text. Okay, please try to take the information from the text. Don't copy the full comprehension. That is another very important issue. Never or don't copy the comprehension fully. Some of you just directly copy the comprehension. That is not good. You should write the information of the comprehension but in your own language or in a different language. Okay, number 4, you will complete the letter with some formal sentences as you do in writing letter. Okay, so definitely you should use some formal languages at the end of that. Okay, so number 5, don't forget to include an envelope. That is very much important, because in previous from my previous experience, I have found that many of you didn't write or draw the envelope, and that's not good, because to complete a letter, an envelope is a must. So overview of the class. For better understanding, watch the class for several times. Try to copy the questions in your exercise. Copy and write the answer there. It will help you to understand any type of unseen comprehension. Okay, my dear student, please, for better understanding, watch the class fully. Don't take forward it whimsically, and uh, take your pen and paper. If you just watch the full class only once, I think you will be able to understand all the things inside the comprehension. Okay, thanks for watching the class, and please subscribe the channel and stay connected. Please like and share the video for your friends and others, and definitely stay at home, safe, and stay safe and sound. Goodbye.
I should fuck her in the Benz.